Hey everyone! If you're planning to dive into the world of digital marketing and start your own business, hang tight because I'm about to give you the 5 must-haves to launch it successfully. Trust me, with these tips, you'll be setting yourself up for some real gains. First up, strategy. Before you do anything else, you need a rock-solid strategy. Think about who your target audience is, what your brand stands for, and how you're different from everyone else out there. A great strategy isn't just about having good ideas. It's about executing them in a way that resonates with your audience. Next, your website. This is your digital storefront. Make sure it's not just visually appealing, but also user-friendly and optimized for conversions. Remember, your website should effectively communicate your brand message and make it easy for visitors to navigate and take action. Whether it's signing up for newsletters, making a purchase, or getting in touch, make those actions seamless. Third on the list, content. Content is king, but not just any content, quality content. Whether it's blogs, videos, or podcasts, your content needs to provide value to your audience. Educate them, entertain them, connect with them. This builds trust and positions you as an authority in your field. Now, let's talk about tools. In digital marketing, efficiency is key. Invest in the right tools for SEO, social media management, email marketing, and analytics. These tools will not only save you time, but also provide you with insights to refine your strategies and boost your results. Lastly, networking. Building relationships is crucial in any business. Attend industry conferences, participate in webinars, and engage on social media. Networking can lead to partnerships, client leads, and opportunities to learn from seasoned marketers. Plus, it's always good to have a community you can turn to for support and advice. So there you have it. Strategy, website, content, tools, and networking. Equip yourself with these essentials, and you're well on your way to launching a successful digital marketing business. Ready to take the leap? Go make it happen.